Welcome to everyone to episode number 31, where DIY with Jacob is looking at building a landscaped garden shaped in the form of a heart. So,
welcome everybody. So I've been working here for the last 2 days, working on repairing the shotgun. We know the person who built this. I'm not gonna put his name into this, but I will give you a hint. His last name is John, whatever. What he did wrong was he did a mixture of gravel and dirt. So basically, we're gonna have to completely strip this apart because these bricks, and a lot of people said this is level. No, if you want it level, it has to be up like that. So, right, move them towards my way. Like, bring it. What are you doing?
following you.
You gotta show this. Can you see this from here?
Yeah.
So you see here, I have I'm testing out. I've been testing this out for the last couple of days, and I'm gonna make it wider because what he did wrong was he didn't properly do the foundation. He did do one thing right. He put the black plastic right here. That's one thing right. But his problem was the hill, and back then, that guy didn't have a lot of experience with digging stuff on hills. So, and I've had a lot of experience with building bricks, as you can see. If you turn them over there, you can see I have a lot of experience building stuff. So, but the owner of this garden, her name is Cassie, and she is my sister, the owner of this garden. And so I've been kind enough to completely strip all this off. I did a bunch today. We're gonna pick this up tomorrow, and we don't know if we're gonna use these bricks again because they keep on breaking and they're very old. Cut.